Welcome to PDK's Product Discovery Series. My name is Cole Nebeker, and today we are going to be talking about the Red Gate Controller with PDK's built-in Red Series advanced technology. Let's get started. The Red Gate Controller is an outdoor-capable, weatherproof device that has the ability to provide controlled access to any exterior gate for either commercial or residential properties, parking garages, and more. The Red Gate Controller gives you the ability to build a system regardless of the environment in which it may be mounted and installed. It comes with a Red 2 door controller, including 2 reader inputs, 2 DPS inputs, 2 REX inputs, 2 wet or dry relays, and battery leads for a 1.2 amp hour battery, all enclosed in a weatherproof NEMA enclosure. Like the Red 2 controller, the Red Gate controller also includes the capability to come Ethernet, PoE capable, or wireless capable as well. However, unlike the Red 2, the Gate controller comes pre-built in either Ethernet or wireless formats, though the option to expand using the PoE module is still an option with the Ethernet model. Simply purchase a PoE expansion module and snap it onto the PoE pins as you typically would. Like every other Red controller, the Red Gate controller will automatically self-discover using PDK.io's discovery tool. Similar to other PDK Red products, these PDK Red Gate controllers are OSDP compatible for ultra-high security data encryption and enhanced performance. The Red Gate controller has built-in power, battery, and network monitoring, providing real-time status updates and reliability in any environment. With the weatherproof NEMA enclosure, efficient sizing, and superior capabilities with its integrated 2-door or 2-gate controller, there is no outdoor application that the Gate controller cannot handle. So, when you're looking for a cutting-edge device that allows you to install with increased flexibility, look no further than the Red Gate controller by PDK.